So if you're having a problem with water in your doors on your Ford Expedition and other Ford models, like sometimes it happens on the F-150s, mainly on the Expedition and the doors, you'll hear some water slushing around and you're like, man, where's that water coming from? Then all you gotta do is open up the door and you look down here underneath, and you'll open up this back door right here, or whichever door you hear the water coming from, and you'll come underneath and you'll see the sill right here. Right behind your sill you'll see this plug, and you'll need to pull the plug out that sits right there. Totally full of water. Pull that little plug out and you'll be able to drain it out. Pull the sill off. But anyways, hopefully that helped you out with draining your doors, the water in the doors on your Expedition. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone.